So it's freezing. It is freezing. And I got in the store and there were no carriages and I had to come back out and get myself a carriage. That pissed me off. I'm jetting off. I have my list with me and I have my coupons with me. My list I literally just wrote on a scrap piece of paper that I had already used the other side, and on it is basically all Super Bowl related foods. I'm getting a lemon, a package of green onions, 6 to 8 bananas. The grapes are on sale for 99 cents. Getting some hot dogs and crescent rolls. I'm getting some cans of Mexi corn or Fiesta corn. I'm getting 2 packages of cookies, a can of condensed milk, a box of French vanilla instant pudding, a tub of Cool Whip, a bag of wings, and some paper plates. So I have not couponed mostly the whole year of 2018. So I actually got my you-know-what together and actually organized a good grocery savings. So my first coupon here, I need Tostitos tortilla chips. So if you spend $25, you can buy a bag for $1.77, which I know I will definitely spend $25 or more. So I'm going to utilize that coupon. And then I have a $3 off coupon for raises. Obviously, I don't need these raises for the Super Bowl, but I clipped them anyway, and they came in last Sunday's paper. And I clipped them anyway because I'm, as you know by the title, I'm shopping at Stop and Shop. And I haven't been there in a while, so I don't know if it's going to work. So when I come back, I will let you know whether or not I did end up buying the raises and these coupons ended up going farther than what they're going as of right now, just the way they are. So I will let you know that when I get back with the haul. I'm getting some cooked perfect fire grilled chicken chunks. Like AJ likes the bacon ranch, so I got a $2 coupon that also came in Sunday's paper. So I'm probably just gonna grab it even if it's on sale because I have the coupon. Because as you saw, if you watched the Valentine treat video, he himself admitted how picky he is. I'm also getting, so some of these items are not on my list because I have the coupon as the visual to remind me to pick it up. So I have a coupon here for the Sargento shredded natural cheese, $1 off, 2 bags, also in last Sunday's paper. Kraft is 2 for $4 on sale, so I'm probably going to end up with the Kraft, but I'm bringing the coupon just in case it comes out cheaper with the coupon, but I doubt it because it's on sale. I'm only doing 2 desserts for Super Bowl because Denny's working. He doesn't have a time that he's getting out, so we're not having anybody over and we're not going anywhere. We're just staying home. So I'm going to make a banana pudding, which is what the packages of cookies are for. And I have this coupon for $3 off. A Carvel football ice cream cake. So I think we're going to do that as our second dessert. These are very expensive. Even with the $3 off, it's going to be really expensive. But you know what? Super Bowl is only once a year. And then there is a $5 printable on coupons.com for Blue Buffalo. This is another coupon here that if it goes the way I'm hoping it goes, this coupon will actually double, but I'll get to that when I get back. And then in the paper again, there's a 75-cent coupon on any CPAC beer batted product. I can barely see without my glasses, but there's 3 different kinds, and at Stop and Shop, anything up to, I don't know if it's 99 cents or $1, one or the other, but anything up to that, they do actually double. So this 75 cents will turn into $1.50, and I don't even know if they're gonna have that because it is a new item. I want to say I did see these at Walmart, but I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm going to check for them at Stop and Shop, and if they do have them, I am picking them up for my mom. I also have a small list for my mom of a few things that she needs, so I will see you when I get back. Here is the ice cream cake. It was on sale for $10.99, so with the $3 coupon it came down to $7.99, so I don't think that was bad. The French vanilla pudding, the box I'm supposed to use is supposed to be 5.1 ounce. These are 3.4 ounces, so I just got 2 of them, and I got store brand because it would be cheaper. I think these were 79 cents. I got the condensed milk. I got the store brand so that it could be cheaper, and even at the store brand it was $2.59. The corn, these cans were small. I need 3 cans, but I just picked up 4 of them because I was afraid that I wouldn't have enough. So I did pick up 4 for the dip that I'm going to make, which is a Paula Deen dip. I'll link it in the description box. And then, even though I can make such a quick broccoli cheddar soup that tastes like it took hours to make, it is so simple and it's so good. So even though I can make that so quick, I'm still going to be even lazier, and I just bought canned soup, and that is what we're having. Denny's having the New England clam chowder. I got 2 cans for him, and then for me I wanted a potato soup, but the potato soup that they had bacon in it, and on the bacon. So this one is potato, broccoli, and cheese chowder. Sounds good. And then this was not on my list, but I remembered to pick it up. Just some mandarin oranges for AJ. He really likes these. I'm making garlic and Parmesan chicken wings for Super Bowl, and I need some cornstarch for that. This was 99 cents. I didn't find that too bad, and it won't take up much space, and it's not something that I use quite often, so I can probably get through it before it gets real old. You know, like those baking powders and baking sodas in my house, they tend to live for years. And then it killed me to pay $3.49 a bag for these Chessman Pepperidge Farm cookies, but the banana pudding that I'm making for Super Bowl, the recipe, which is a Paula Deen recipe, I'll also link it in the description box. It called for these, and I just wasn't going to run around to pay less for some prices and more for others, so I just settled to pay $3.50 a bag. But I mean, really, like $7 right here. That kills me, but it is what it is. Now, the razors, I did not get them because they weren't on sale. So even if the coupons were going to work the way I think they were going to work, it still would have been too much. I can get it cheaper at CVS when they do like the reward deals and stuff like that. And because we do have somewhat of a stockpile left on razors, I passed up. I didn't even get it. And the only other thing that I thought I was going to almost double, not almost double, really double the coupon, I did not find out whether or not I did, because one coupon was digital, which was added on to my Stop and Shop app, and the other coupon was the same exact coupon that was printable from coupons.com, but the scanner wasn't scanning my printable, my paper coupon, so she had to manually put it in. So when they manually put it in like that, they just hit grocery, so it didn't register as the Blue Buffalo dog food. So I don't even know now if it's still working. And basically, before I stopped couponing at Stop and Shop, if you go on their app, they load up a lot of the coupons that you can get on coupons.com. It's just digital, so you don't have to print it. But if you scan the coupons before you scan your loyalty card, once you scan your loyalty card after you scan the paper coupons, it would still take those same coupons off. So you would kind of get the coupons taken off twice. So instead of the $5, if it's still working, I would have got $10 off the dog food. But I still ended up getting $10 off the dog food, whether or not it works, because she put it in as 5, and then I checked my receipt and the digital coupon did apply. So I got this bag, which is not a very big bag. $17.99 for this bag. On sale for $14.99. And then because I got the two $5 off, I got $10 off this bag, and it only cost me $4.99, which it's ridiculous that they want $18 for this small of a bag of dog food. Cheese, the Sargento cheese would have been $2.39 each bag with the coupon that I had, so I opted for the Kraft that was on sale, 2 for $4. This is to make the dip with the corn. The scallions were the organic ones. They were 10 for 10. I mean, it's a very little bunch, but for $1 I grabbed this. And I do, well, for the longest time I was regrowing my green onions, but I noticed that every time you put it back, they would grow back thinner and thinner to the point where I didn't even find it worth it. So because these are organic, I think I'm going to start again. Denny makes these really good hot dog crescent rolls. He wraps it in the crescent roll with cheese, and it's so delicious. It's so simple, but that's like his thing. He does it. So we're having that for Super Bowl. And the hot dogs were 2 packages for $6, regular $5.19, so I didn't find that bad. And I got the Angus beef, the Oscar Mayer, and then I got the crescent rolls, which I paid full price, $2.59, ridiculous. These are the Butterflake. He doesn't use Butterflake, he uses the original, but I'm gonna try the Butterflake. We went with the multi-grain scoops. I did get it $1.77. So I do like to always have paper plates on hand, but I always try to use our regular plates. So it was $2.50, regular $2.79, on sale for $2.50. Way more than I ever paid for paper plates, but I was completely out. I got the bananas. There was only bunches of 6. I needed 6 to 8 for the banana pudding, so I'm just going with the 6. On the whipped topping, I need 12 ounces. They either had 8 or they had 16, so I have more than what I need, but I'm gonna have more pudding than what I need. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put all that pudding, and I'm gonna put all that, and this was $2.39. They had Cool Whip on sale, 2 for $3, which is crazy because you can get it at the Dollar Tree for $1, but wasn't running to the Dollar Tree just for Cool Whip. So I went with this one because I got the 16 ounces for $2.39 versus getting 2 8-ounce Cool Whips for $3. The grapes were 97 cents. I got about 2 1/4 pounds, and this is for us to eat, but also to munch on while we're watching Super Bowl. Here are those chicken chunks I was talking about. AJ loves these. They're very expensive. $9.99 for the bag. With the $2 coupon, it cost me $7.99. And then lemons, 79 cents. I like to have it for my water, and I need one for my chicken wings. And the chicken wings weren't bad. They were $4.99 for this bag. 3-pound bag, and they weren't scanning. The barcode is so small because I went through the self-checkout. They're so small that they weren't scanning, so she manually put it in, and she put it in for $5. So I was like, I'm gonna let the penny go, but really they're $4.99. Yeah, basically most of this stuff is for Super Bowl, but I also had a load to card coupon on my app that if you spend $40, you get $2 off. So I got the $2 off for that. So yesterday when I was going through everything, setting everything up for my shopping trip, I noticed that it was still on there. So I'm like, oh, I'm gonna see if it's gonna work. So it did. So if you spent $50, they gave you a $10 Stop and Shop gift card. So it basically just got, you know, another $10 for free. On the menu is the dip, the banana pudding, the ice cream cake, the garlic parmesan wings, and the crescent wrapped hot dogs. So we're having, and the grapes. Give this video a like if you shop at Stop and Shop. Subscribe if you want to see more Stop and Shop couponing videos, and go Pats!